Sir, only one copy COPR is given along with stamped passport. Well, I know that can freak you out sometimes, but please don't worry. Come to Canada. At the port of entry, request the border officer to print another copy. Tell them you got only one, and that's absolutely fine. There are also instances where people lose their COPR. I do not know how you do it, but people do lose their COPR. There has been an instance where the COPR document was eaten away by the pet dog. Has happened. There was also an instance where the COPR document was torn by a baby child of the applicant. And there was another one where somebody spilled their coffee on the document, completely wet, ruined the document. So all these instances have happened. There is nothing to freak out. First of all, your COPR is not a travel document. So even if you do not have your COPR at the port of departure, at the departure airport, nobody's going to bother with you. Your visa on your passport is what is needed. Arrive in Canada at the port of entry, very politely tell the officer what has happened and request the officer to give you or print out another COPR for you. Trust me, the officers are extremely helpful, very kind, and they will do it for you.